Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. First of all, watch my most recent buy trade. As you can see, it's most awesome, and you can see the profit is now in my pocket. So first, watch the complete video and do not miss any point. Here you can see high volume indicator is available now, and this is the most recent developed indicator and most recent and most profitable signal. So for the complete video and how you can go for the buy and sell trade and how you identify this high volume and low volume areas. Here you can see the red columns, that means there is a huge less volume, you can say, and you have need to follow sell signal, but there is more interesting strategy. Okay, you can see, first watch it when this column um, s- start. Here you can see the red area start from this point. Okay, then you have to watch it where is the candle, either the candle is upside from the middle line or below. If the candle is upside from the middle line, then need to go for the sell trade. If the candle is below from the middle line, do not need to go for the sell trade. You need to wait either uh, when you got the sell signal. Here you can see this is your confirmation trade, and you can see you got some good profit here. Here let me example. Here you can see you got the buy signal, column are green, so you need to go for the buy trade. But here when you can see the candle is almost below from the middle line, so you can go for the buy trade, or you can book your profit at this point. Okay, but at this point you can see clearly you getting the buy signal, and there is a strongly buy volume, so you need to go for the buy trade, and it will definitely will give you the profit. Let me show you an example in the BTC. Here you can see you are getting the uh, buy volume, and when you got the buy volume you can see the candle is below from the lower band line, so you can go for the buy trade. And let me show you one more example, because that is a very important point and I do not want that you miss it. Here you can see you got the sell volume, and when the sell volume start from this point, you have need to watch this candle. Okay, you can go for the sell trade, and you have need to book the profit when any candle touch to the lower band. Here you can book your profit. Do not need to go for the buy trade. Okay, just we have need to follow the trend. Okay, trend is here. So here you can see you getting the sell volume, sell signal, strong sell volume. Yes, we definitely will go for the sell trade, and you can book your profit here. Okay, here what is this one? This is RSI ribbon. It is the most important one. Whenever there is a sell volume and RSI ribbon come upside from the middle line, and the candle come inside RSI, this one, it will definitely will give you the profit. Okay, like here, like this one, like this one, or like this one. Okay, you can see all the time you are getting profit, but I am telling you the strategy that is more profitable, and this one is clearly showing that band. Okay, and here you can see two band, upper band and the lower band and the middle band. So middle band line, so middle band line is most important, and the upper band and lower band line is also important. When you got the sell signal, sell volume, you need to go for the sell trade. Do not watch anything, just go for the sell trade, and definitely will get the profit. Okay, like this one. Here you can see at this point you can go for the buy trade, and it will definitely will give you the profit. But there is one more important point. If here you can see this is your buy trade, let me identify. Okay, this one, this one is your sell trade. Okay, from this point. So whatever, when a market will go downside and you got one more buy signal, okay, then you need to open your one more position, because both trade definitely will give you the profit. Let me give you an more example so you can identify more example. Let me show you here an example. There is a clear example. Here you can see you getting the buy volume start from this point, but watch it. Where are the candles? Candle is upside from the upper band line. So what you need to do not need to open your position. I told you, you have need to wait for the buy signal, or candle must come inside the RSI. Then it will definitely or granted will give you the profit, like this one you can see. Let me show you one more, some more example. Here you can see this is the perfectly example. And whenever you're getting the sell signal, strong sell volume, just open your position. Do not watch anything, just go for the sell trade, and you can see you got the profit here. When you open the position, the price was around 97,200, and when you got the profit, the price was 94,082. Okay, it's around 97 to 94, 3000 movement. That is actually very big movement. Okay, let's watch more clear example. Oh wow, that was awesome. Here you can see sell, just go for the sell trade, because sell volume, just go for the sell trade. Do not watch anything, just go and go again and go again, and you can open your one more position from this point. Consistently profit 173, 3 to 4 position, but if you want you can open just one position. Okay, here two position, one position here, so 7 to 5 position sell position, and all the positions are profitable. Here you can open your one more position if you want, but that is not a confirmed, because we are not getting the sell signal. So the point is, here is the most important point, watch it carefully. So I told you, if the candle start from sorry, buy area start from this point, and you can see the candle is almost very close to the middle line, so you can open your position and you need to book your profit. If the market goes downside and you're getting buy signal, so you need to open your second position. Both one give you the good profit. Like this one, this position will give you a very small profit, but if you got one more entry at this point, then definitely both entries will give you some awesome profit. Okay, okay, hopefully you will. Yes, I know I am not slightly, you can say I am very weak in English, but I am trying my best to give you the best explanation, and you will definitely will get the profit. Now here is a very important one more point. Here you can see you open your position, you got a very small profit. Okay, now after booking your profit, you can see the market goes upside. Here you got the sell signal, candle is below from the RSI, it will definitely will give you the profit. Do not miss it, and just go and you can book your profit. Okay, let's see the results in some forex pair. Gold, where is gold? Here one. Okay, we have need to watch it. Here you can say, oh wow, that was awesome trade, that is actually awesome trade. Okay, one more thing here. If the buy volume start from this point, from this candle, you can see, okay, and at this point you can see it's profitable. Yes, it's profitable. Now the sell start area start from this candle and at this point, so it's profitable. Yes, it is profitable. Okay, now let's watch one more example. Okay, it's actually huge profit. That was awesome. Here you can see start from this point, buy area, okay, and end at this point. It's profitable. Yes, it is. So that is awesome. Okay, here you can see you got the sell volume, you got the sell signal, each and everything is true. Just wait and you can book your small profit here. It's not a big profit, but the point is you are getting some good profit at least, okay, not loss. You are getting some profit. Okay, if you want you can put your stop loss on the higher candle, okay, higher point, and you can book your profit here because there is no volume. No volume, that means my candle go upside or downside is we cannot say anything because there is no volume. And hopefully it will follow the signal. When there is no volume you can follow the sell signal or buy signal. It's up to you. Let me example. Here you can see there is no volume and you're getting buy signal. It's profitable. Yes, it is. Here you can see there is no volume, you're getting buy signal, so it will follow the signal. Okay, and let me show you. Although when you the volume is red, you are getting sell signal, all signal are profitable. Okay, but there if there is no volume and you can follow the signal, like here you are getting no signal at this point, you are getting no signal. Okay, and let me show you one more. Oh, that was awesome trade. That is, I like that type of trade. When the RSI is upside from the upper band line, you are getting sell signal and candle come inside the RSI, it will definitely will give you the profit. Like here when you got the signal, the price was around 2600 and around 90, you can say 26,090, and from 26,090 to 26,070, it's around you can say 7 18 9, okay, $20 movement actually. Okay, and if you follow from this point to this point, then definitely it's give you around $40 movement around. Okay, it's actually a very good one. So you can see my indicators are working on all pairs. Okay, let me show you some because this indicator work on all pairs. Let me show you in the forex. Yes, you can see my indicators are working here. Yes, it's clearly working here. Okay, you can see, watch it, clearly working. Okay, 100% working condition. Okay, today is Sunday, so the crypto market is sorry, forex market is off. So let's see the results in some other pairs like SPX or Bank Nifty. Let's see the results in Bank Nifty first. Okay, awesome. Okay, okay, that was awesome. Okay, that was awesome. Okay, buy area. Okay, that is actually awesome. Okay, sell area, go to the sell trades and it's profitable, it is also profitable. Buy area, buy trade, profitable. Okay, sell area, sell trade, no sell trade, but here you can go the first position. I told you when the sell trend start or your sell area start, you can open your position, but watch, the candle must be upside from the middle line. Okay, then you can see you are getting small profit here. Okay, here you can see buy area, buy trade, and you can book your profit here. A very small profit, maybe is yes, it is a very small profit, it's not a big one. Okay, buy, and you can see. Okay, and 1% in the previous day, because I this indicator developed yesterday night. I developed this indicator yesterday night. And before that I was testing it. So you can see this line because I open my position from this point, and you can see. Okay, let's see in some other pairs. Okay, now perfectly amazing work. Okay, so let's see the results in some other pair like Bank Nifty. I saw the results in Bank Nifty SPX. Okay, buy position, that was awesome, that was awesome trade. Okay, set it, and that was some trade 2. Okay, you can open your position again from this point. Okay, there is no volume and you're getting buy signal, so definitely it will give you the profit. And now this is the most perfectly a live demo example, because mostly people asking me for the live demo. So here is a perfectly example of live trade, because signals come on time. Yes, the signal on come time, you can see in the previous candle, you can see you are getting buy signal, and the trend is green, so you definitely you need to go for the buy trade. Okay, and so on. So you can see the indicators are working 100%. Now the question arises in your mind that how you can get my indicators and how you can add this indicator in your trading view chart. So let's go, close it and close it. Okay, now it's the indicator first. Here is my pine script. Here you can see these are my pine script, and uh, okay, these are my point script here. And first need to add this indicator, control A, control C, that means copy all the code, and then click on pine editor, control A, that means clear all the code, there should be no code. Okay, then paste my code. Okay, and sorry, then paste my code, and then click on add to chart. Okay, and the setting, yes, the most important one is setting. Just go to the setting, uncheck the table, we do not need table. Okay, and fully signal we do not need. I'll say 55, and swing mode and check, that's it. Your indicator is now ready. The second indicator you have need to add, this is the most recent indicator, so here is it is high volume. Okay, control A, that's mean copy all the code. Okay, then close it, and then first remove all the code first from the pine editor, and then paste my code. Okay, and then click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, the indicator will look like this one. So we have need to change some setting, 4 hour, and here you have need to select 4 hour, 4 hour. In the simple hoga high volume, just click on the column, we need column only. If you need, you can check on step line. Step line will be look like this one. Okay, so the column is okay. Okay, and the indicator working perfectly. Now the second question, how you can get the indicator. So brothers and sisters, so my indicators are paid and this if you need my indicator, you can contact me. And nobody in the YouTube, there is nobody in the YouTube who can compete with my indicators. Okay, there is no one. I search on all the YouTube, and there is no one who can um, compete with me. Okay, because all indicators are profitable. Yes, I am not saying that all the other people have do not have a much profitable indicators, but according to as compared to others, my indicators are much profitable. I am not but according to the reviews from the people, I'm saying that there is no one in the YouTube who can provide the much profitable signal as compared to me. Okay, if you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can contact me on my Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels and you need to be aware. And do not join fake Telegram channels, because there is no official Telegram channels. Just personal contact me. Gmail, I tried all the time that I reply to all peoples, but if someone is missing, please do not mind. Okay, I tried my all the time, I am trying. Okay, and I am providing support to all people who are buying my indicator. Gmail, simplelogo@gmail.com. If you want to buy my indicators, you can contact me. Okay, I give you the best explanation, because as usual my English is so good and hopefully you will understand, but I tried my best. Okay, So any further query you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care. And for the next video, bye bye, take care.